The body and the mind are interconnected, and when we strengthen the body, we strengthen the mind. My name is Desi Bartlett, and with over 30 years of experience in health and wellness, this is not just what I do, it's who I am. It's my joy, it's my mission, it's my passion to share all of these tools with you so that you can feel strong and healthy from the inside out. First, through the ancient and powerful technology of yoga, which has been and continues to be a gift in my life that brings strength, flexibility, and fluidity. Next, through the incredible impact of functional fitness and strength training. We enjoy creative movements through a full range of motion, which help you to strengthen your body and your mind. And then finally, how do we balance all of this out? We do this through visualization, meditation, and healthy lifestyle. This is how we become strong and healthy on all levels of self, in the body, the mind, and the heart. So join me and become part of the Desi BodyMind community today. It's a 360-degree approach to strengthening your body-mind from the inside out.